This is Paviter, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the background of your picture in Canva. To remove the background, you will just need to create a post. The post can be anything. So let's try to create a post. Maybe we can go to Instagram post. So once we go inside the Instagram post, we can pick up the picture we want to use from the picture library within the Canva, or we can upload our own picture. So what I'll do is I have already uploaded one picture. I'm going to import this picture into my design, and then I'll show you how to remove the background with one single click. It's a very useful feature by Canva. So you have to select the picture, then go to Effects tab, and then click on Background Remover. So once you click it, you need to wait a while. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds. You can now see that the picture is already there. So you can use this picture in the background. So you can now select the background, whatever color you want to choose, maybe this color or maybe a little bit subtle color, or you want to choose the background from the Backgrounds tab. After selecting that picture, you can now go to text and choose the text style. To, let's say, we take this text, and once this text is imported, we can go and change the alignment of this text. We can say, let's say, fitness. We can reduce the size so it doesn't come on his face. Fitness during COVID-19. So basically this picture is already designed, and what it took for us less than 10-15 seconds to remove the background of this picture and create a post. So now you can download this picture as a PNG, and then this picture or this design is ready for you to post it on your social media or wherever you want to use it. Now I'm going to show you how you can reuse this same design or same picture from which you have already removed the background. To do that, let's go to the next page. You can remove this one, and then you can copy, Control C, and then Control V, paste it here, and now it doesn't have any background. So now you can head down to Downloads panel, select as a PNG, select the size if you want to increase the size, and then make sure you select transparent background. Once that is selected, you go to the page number 2 where this is your page number 2. Now it is done and you can download it. So once you download it, you will be able to see that it doesn't have any background attached to it. So let's have a look. So it doesn't have any background. Now you don't want to keep on importing the same picture and then removing the background every time you need to use it. Now you can reuse this picture. To do that, you can simply go to the upload and then upload image and select the image from which you have already removed the background. So I have selected it. Now you can see it doesn't have any background. So basically you can either upload your own image or you can use the image from the image gallery. In the next step, I will show you how you can use the picture from your gallery within Canva and remove the background of the picture.